Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Lake Livin Cozy Cabin with dock, Tiki Bar, 2 Kayaks. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Offering free Wi-Fi and lake views, Lake Livin Cozy Cabin with dock, Tiki Bar, 2 Kayaks is a property located in Canada Creek Ranch. Guests staying at this vacation home can use the fully equipped kitchen. Offering 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom, this vacation home is fitted with a flat-screen TV and DVD player. Towels and bed linen are offered. Hillman Airport is 8.5 miles from the vacation home, while Atlanta is 12 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Alpena County Regional Airport, 30 miles from Lake Livin Cozy Cabin with dock, Tiki Bar, 2 Kayaks. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.